Hi everyone, hi Professor. My name is Alejandro Camacho. This is my final exam of the subject Business Intelligence with Big Data. So first of all, I would like to say thank you so much for the entire class and for this kind of projects because I don't know, I think it helps to us to make to the practice this kind of works. So basically, first of all, I would like to say too that um, I would like to talk about my database. So what we have here. So I hope you're seeing my screen and my camera and everything okay and good. So this is my database. Here we have the client, zone, country, kind of project and some things. So first of all, you would say what is it? Okay, my database is about the one of the biggest companies on the entire world. So we have here the company have lots of countries that are are raised to a company. So here we have to, for example, Europe, Australia, Africa, Central America, and some else. Just to recap, we do not have here the South America, and it's interesting. So we're going to see continuing this presentation. We're going to see the different kinds of products we have here and countries. Talking about countries, we have United Kingdom, Malta, Marshall Island, lots of countries we have here. And about the products. First, when I search the database, I would like to take a database that have this kind of different products. Like I didn't like the kind of just kind of snacks, and I would like to do something bigger. And that's what one thing that I choose this database. So we have here the priority of the the product. So we have here critical, low priority, and we have here the dates of the the things that was sold. So we have here the unities, and we have here for last the cost and the sales. So I would like to explain again for the last time the reason that I chose this database was I like to do an inventory company, an inventory database, just to uh, try to connect my life to this kind of works because I don't know. I worked in something with database a few months ago with a small company here in Colombia, but I don't know. It's something similar with like inventories with kind of products, canal de venta. We have here offline, online. We're going to see something so much good with this line with this column. So now that we have looked the database, let's continue with Tableau. So just give me a moment. We're going to see here. Okay, we're on Tableau. So start with my database here. Yeah, here Alejandro Sierra database. Okay, okay, Tableau connected. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So we're going to see here. Okay, so resuming this uh, final project, this final exam, we're here on Tableau. So I cut the part of transition this from Excel to Tableau. So for optimization the time we're here. So we're going to start. We're going to start, and just to recap, we know that we have here a company, a big company. So we're going to look for a country. First of all, I would like to show. I would like to see the countries here. So now we're going to go to files and search for my Forte Ventas Total. Okay, I like it. So I'd like to change this. Okay, we will do it at the end, and we're going to see kind of product, type of product, two colors. Okay, nice, I like it. But I would say I prefer this slide like this because uh, I don't know I see that it's better represented. So if I would like to see what the company is doing it in every country, we're going to see here in Angola and here in Barbados, Alimento Infantil, and we're going to see the los importes de venta total. So go, let's continue. We're going to see. So continuing, we we're going to recap. We have the type of product here. So for the next slide, I would like to do it with the importe coste total. For the enterprise would be perfect to know how much they sell and how much they're costing their products. So if they were going to do it in the okay, first of all we're going to name my slide. So cambiar nombre right here. So we're going to choose country for uh, total sale. Total sale and kind of products. We're going to call it like this. Perfect. So we're going to call this country total cost. So we're going to do basically the same, just to make it to the viewer nice nice analysis. So we're going to cover and type product and imported cost total right here. Perfect. So we're going to use okay, okay, like this. It's basically the same, but I don't know. I would like to have like a same line between these two. So for total cost. And we have here. So now we're going to call this country X total type of product, and we're going to do a filter. So let's see, country X total it's type of product. My bad. Of product. Yes. So so in country X type of product. So we're going to do the same across countries right there, and We're going to have here unities. Unities to do like a recount of the unities in every country. And so we're going to do the type of product right here, and that's it. So we're going to change it. All right. Okay. So we're going to do a bit of changes here. So to for the analysis, and it would be better. So we have here, for example, on Afghanistan, we have Carnicos, the quantity of the unity that the enterprise is managing on each country. So we're going to have a incredible period. Uh, just a few moments we see that the database didn't explain that well, like this is doing it. So here, for example, we have in Cambodia, Burundi, Cameroon. We have here a great example. So continuing, we have every country that the enterprise is managing. Okay, so we're going to continuing. So we're going to view the priority. We're going to see the priority of the unities in each country. So we're going to see here in columns again the same country. We need to view the these kind of things of the countries because we're going to see a better view of each product, each unity, each cell. So so on files we have unities again. So here we have, and we're going to check the color. Perfect. So you can see here the the priorities in different colors. So we're going to see critical on red. Every red is critical. We can see that this we can see the quantity of the units that were critical. I don't know. I'm thinking if I would manage a big company, I would like to see why, for example, let's see a country that here we can see here on Rwanda that we do not have uh, so much quantities on critical. So we can see here we have here 3,420 unities that were critical. So basically we have a good manage here, a medium priority here, and I see I'm seeing it in that way. So call it this slide country unities X priority. Okay, so now I'm thinking, okay, so we know that this is a big company. So and we have the sales channel. So I don't know, it's important to for a company to know where is our sales. So basically, we're going to see where we're selling. So let's put country right here in columns. So change it. Let's change it. We're going to put it on file in file. So now we're going to use unities right here on color, and in columns we're going to have a oh, wanted, we're going to use, let's see, probably Unity is right here. No, I'm not correct. So sorry, this is like the improvisation I'm doing it at the moment. That we have here unities per country and sales channel. That's what I'm looking for. Reset and canal de venta here. Okay, my bad. I'm so sorry. We have it here. So let's change this. Perfect. Let's see what we want. No, let's use one of these. All right. Perfect. Okay. Okay, we have here the sales channel. Okay, so we have okay here every country and alphabet, and we have here the sales channel. This is offline and this is online. And we have first, for example, Afghanistan, that have on sales channel offline that 18,130, and online have had 14,654. So this is what we wanted here. So we're going to change our country. So let's see Zimbabwe. We have on Yemen. Let's see Yemen. We have on offline. They have zero basically, and online they have 18,933. Probably it depends on the country. It depends on the company, because probably the company they do not want to sell or work in an offline company, so they wanted just to be on internet and sell that way. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue with first of all we're to name our light, so we can okay country and sales channel perfect. Okay, let's continue. So now we're going to see uh, the fecha de pedido on the type of products. So we're going to see with the dates first of all. So we're right there, and after all, we're going to type of product right like this. Okay, so we have here the dates and the type of product right like so. Now, we're going to, first of all, I would like to filter it. So let's see, let's use it with priority. And we're going to choose the, uh, the priority we want. So let's choose low priority. Okay. And now, on unities. Okay, so let's see, works for us. Perfect. But let's change this except unities. Let's use the cells. So um, perfect. So we have here the dates of the los pedidos, and here the type of products and the cells. So we can see here that the material de oficina it's the most sell on this year on 2020. So okay, let's see. Okay, first change the color to red. Um, let's change the name. And let's call it like, okay, uh, dates of dates of um pedido. Call it like the info. Let's call it dates, years. Uh, X cells and type of product. I'm sorry, I do not remember the name of the name pedido. So let's call it like this. Years, X cells and type of product. Okay. Just to be different and just to make a better presentation, let's use this kind of colors to make it like a better view. So let's do this like this. Yellow. What else? What else? Well, like this. Continue. Let's continue with our seven slide. So that before we continue, we can change the color of. So let's use this kind of red, and let's change this. Let's we're going to use area. Okay? It looks perfect. You can see better what is the type of product that is in the higher sales. So perfect. Okay, let's continue with our seventh slide. Okay, so now for this slide, I would like to do something with latitude and things. So we're going to do countries. So to this, and we're going to country. Okay, perfect. So now we do it. So and like this, and like this. Perfect. And now we're going to use oh okay, let's see. Choose here. Use countries and color. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's use it on better. Where we're going to use it on another thing. That of course we're using here countries, and of course we're going to use type of product. Okay. And let's see what we're looking for. Unimported. Okay, perfect. So let's see why we're not saying like this. Okay, we're going to on type of product that no, we're going to see it like this. Perfect. So now we're going to change a little bit this slide. So let's see, we have the map and and just we have here um, so we have here like an overview of the company and the sales. So we just let's see if we have here China and all the entire sales on that country. So we have here this amount of sales, we have here Russia, and we can see that there are some countries that the company is not located. So we have here an overview of the entire enterprise and the entire world. And okay, let's change again the color. Put some red, some, some something noted. Um, okay, so perfect. Let's continue it with rename this slide. So change name and put it like um, map map of um, map of sales. Perfect. Continue. Let's continue with the next slide. So we are going to do another map. Let's use it again. The latitude on okay. Here comes. Oops, I'm boring. So I'm taking in mind what what we can name two parts can be for like this build. So let's use country like this. Perfect. And we're going to use cells on cells and with the labels. So here we're going to see of 100%. So have here the percentage of the total import of sales. So we have here that Cape Verde is this percentage. I don't know, we're into another country, to India, this percentage, like this. And we can see on sides of this thing. Okay, let's correct this. Let's see if this is okay. So like this, and for the venta total on size. Okay, perfect. So uh, like again, this is the overview of the entire world and the percentage of the total import of. Let's change the color. Let's use again red because we're on maps. Let's change it way. Okay, and let's continue. We have here a rename on. Let's call it countries. Countries X sales size. Perfect. Let's continue. Now we're going to do the the products, the sales that we're going to accept this time the country. We're going to see by zones. So we're going to see it by continents. So first of all, we have to put it right here, type of product. So we have it like this, and we're going to use zone this time, or on this sales, like this. Perfect. So let's change one. Okay, I think this looks good. we can try this time something like this or something like this, but I think for an analysis it's perfect to do something like this. We see here super clear the kind of products. Let's do something. Let's filter this time the something on products. So nothing, and let's filter it with just material de oficina. So let's okay. Uh, so we can see here the type of product, the sales, and we can see Africa is the country that the company have the sales higher. So let's do it like this. Let's change color and let's use something like mm, let's hold this. So stones, stones over and filter. So we can see here the total sales with material de consumo by zones. Perfect. So let's continue with another one. Boom. And for our last slide, for I'm going to use on this our base like this. Now we're going to choose I'm going to choose the zones. Perfect. And the coast of this. And we are going to have this on 2020, and we're going to use another colors. Perfect. So but we have here, so we're going to use here and agriculture by zone and the cost of the import. And it's an easy one. So we're going to add offline and online the sales channel. So we have here the differences of the import between online and offline. What else we can agree? We can agree with here the name. So we're going to call it like phones and cost of import. Perfect. So this is an easy one. Okay, let's change this. And copy this, that, and like this, we're going to rename it table. So, okay, one part of our presentation. Change the color of the names. Perfect. We're seeing colors everywhere and perfect, very clear, and very understandable. So let's continue with the dashboard. So let's continue with the first dashboard. So we're going to make it a flow. The same thing, 40, 40. And the same, we're going to some 40. This one, the same process basically. Process, everything, everything. Okay, 40. Let's see. This one is going to be here, right there. I think it's perfect. Now we're going to continue your course now. Again, the same with floating. Okay, now we have here 6 of our slides. Everything is great. And we have here 2 maps that they're going to be on the dashboard number 2. So we're going to check these two for this dashboard and doing it this way. So let's move this on this two this board. Okay, it looks great. No, no, great. So let's move it and bit like this. And the last one we have, and the same that we did with the others, following a bit like this. Perfect. Perfect. This would be our first dashboard. So after we will change and make the presentation a bit better. But this is our first dashboard, and for this we're going to use the point, the first map, and make it flowing. We're going to use it mm, like this way. Perfect. Map of sale and floating to mm, this one of it. So this one. Perfect. I think it looks great. A bit like um, okay. It depends on on the slide. Accommodate like this. Perfect. So this would be our dashboard. So we're going to continue. We're going to at the end of the presentation, we're going to make it like some like uh thing like more clear on the dashboard. But I think at the moment it looks great and could work. So let's use it. And this is our second dashboard. Let's continue with our stuff. Okay, now, so we're going to continue with our first story. So we're going to use the country X total type. Country total type. Okay, and we're going to see if uh, changing the view it's better or just we can let it like it had. Okay, I don't like it like that way. Probably this way it'd be better, but yeah, probably with a standard, it's going to be the perfect way. Okay, perfect. Let's continue with the next slide. So, so in this part we have the new one. Oh, but first of all, we have to rename our story. So let's put something like a analysis of our company. Perfect. And we can put it like this. Okay, we should use cap probably. Of our company. Perfect. Now continuing, we have 200x total cost. Okay. Oh, of course, we're going to add labels in a few moments. So, okay, perfect. Now, here, okay. For filters, we're going to maintain it. So, before we continue, we can add something here for this one. It's format and so shade, something like that. That's what what is good for us. And obviously at the end of the end after we have the stories, we have the slides, we can reaccommodate every slide to be on order. So it's something like I like this one. So um What else we have here on the story? We have um. Okay, that's what we need. We can add text right here, right? And we can add like mm, first to check into account. Perfect. So let's continue. The other one. It looks great. I think it's perfect. To next type of function. Like, I think this is very clear. So let's continue with the other one. Country. Another one that looks great. Uh, as we said, this presentation is made like for a company, so and that's why first of all we have like bars and something very easy to see. So that's all. That's the thing. That's that's the reason that it is like this. Let's continue. And okay, I think we can change the something like right here. Let's see the country countries Excel. Right. Um, on name channel sales. Or we can add it on a text. Let's use it. And channel. And change it. And let's continue. Oh, first of all, we wanted to change this so country channel. So let's see. Okay, could be. Mm, Not this one. Okay, let's work with this one. And let's see how it looks. Okay, we have to change this like this. Perfect. No, brand company. Perfect. Let's continue. We have here our map of sale. So mm, we can add here now this. Mm, Oh, okay. We have to add it on one. Um, let's see. Let's see what. Okay, we're going to see the lights to see it in a clear way, or we can just change the color. But let's see what could be better. Probably something like this. Okay, now I say it. Now I say it. Now Julia. I left. Okay, perfect. Continue. Oh, let's change the color here to green. Perfect. No. Um, yeah. We have here something. We have here your Excel. So one type of product. Yours and and now looks fantastic. Now let's see it. Oh, perfect. I think that we have to add it something. Countries Excel. Okay. Basically, we can add filters. We can yeah, but we're going to like like this for the entire analogy to have it like on a way that it's complete. So perfect. Mm, perfect. So now we're going to add another one. That would be that be zones x total fill and filter. Perfect. Let's see. Let's see if we can change the perfect and better. See the next one. Home and post of perfect. So hmm, so if it looks better. Hmm, but I like it. I like it. I think it's clear. It's very clear. So that's what it. And let's add our dashboard. Okay, perfect. I think it looks great. And first, like dashboard one, dashboard, dashboard two. So we have our dashboard one with and our dashboard two. Perfect. And add some text like that. Our maps, our how we can call it? We can say our company map. Perfect. That would be our story. And we have here everything. So let's organize every part of our story. Now that we have I candidate everything, and we have like in order to show it to our employees and analyze the the things happening in the company. We have just finished, and that would be all of our presentation and our exam, our final project. And I hope you like it. And I think I made it with some different view. I like to express it like a presentation for a company, for an employees, for viewing what's happening in the company exactly. So that's why we had do it on the first slide, something not that difficult. But uh, while we advance, we can see different slides that becoming different and with percentage and maps and this kind of filters. Remember that you can add some filters if you want, and that would be all. And this is our dashboard, dashboard 2, and our history. So thank you so much for seeing my video, for seeing my final project, and thank you so much for the class in general. And thank you so much. My name is Alejandro Camacho, and this was my final project for business intelligence with big data. Thank you so much.